Big Brother Naija Season 7 winner Phyna has seemingly confessed her feelings for Pere, who is featuring on the ongoing edition. She admitted that she loves tall, dark-skinned men. In another tweet, Phyna vowed to support Pere till he wins the ongoing Big Brother Naija All-Stars. Big Brother Naija All-Stars housemate White Money has revealed how he used to work for colleague Fraud before hitting stardom. He said before winning the season 6 of the reality show, he used to work as a personal shopper for US-based businessman Fraud, who featured in the fourth season of the show. The singer disclosed this in a chat with fellow housemates in an ongoing All-Star edition of the reality show. Ilebaye, the Big Brother Naija All-Stars housemate, says she is still a virgin. During a conversation with some housemates on Monday, the 22-year-old beauty also warned that being a virgin does not restrict her from partying and having tattoos like every other person. Who are you supporting in the ongoing Big Brother